take it slow. Time to take a rest. Time to leave the fast lane far behind. Life is hard enough, I know, but you can only do your own best. It's getting in your heart and mind. And in the heartland, people everywhere trying to share their hopes and dreams. In the heartland, on any given day, you can find your way back home. In the heartland, people everywhere trying to share their hopes and dreams. In the heartland, on any given day. want you.
say that ain't really true. And you catch a fire, and I catch a cold. you're so inspired. I say, give me something mighty to behold. You believe while I resist your action and paralysis. And you say, let the light get in. That's when I just fade to black again. And you say, get up, while I say, whoa, whoa, you're wonderstruck. I say, show me something mighty to behold. You believe I just don't see how all the world is family. And you think time is infinite. I say, what you see is what you get. You're just like water, while I'm alcohol. You just want order. Ah, but I want something mighty to behold. You relive while I regret. I give in, you have not yet. And I believe you are the cause of my effect. And I'm a comet, you're a star. I'm confusion, you just are. And I believe that time alone can heal these scars. You believe and I agree. In life there are no guarantees. But there are times when what you get are things you have not asked for yet. You catch a fire and I catch a cold. You wanted love and I wanted gold. But you got me, baby, and I got something mighty to behold.
Of a song I heard the other day. Some words I heard the singer say. Something in me loved the way that it sounded when he said how he wanted to stand and be counted. Sometimes I talk to myself in the early dawn, before all the fragments of my dreams are gone. Things you don't know why your mind held on to, or else sometimes you know more than you want. Stand and be counted. Stand on. wonder who that kid was, standing brave and trim. And I hear myself breathe, and I know that I was him, defender of the poor and those who cannot speak. Thought I'd be standing by the dam, trying to stop the leak.
Stand and be counted. Stand on the truth. Stand on your honor. Stand and be
So concerned with matters of the heart, knowing the millennium was just about to start, and knowing somehow we could make a alone in front of the world in that oncoming tank, like that Chinese boy that we all have to thank. Sure to send a picture that I have mounted, exactly what it means to stand and be counted.
stand and be counted. Stand on the truth. Stand on your honor. Stand and be. Stand and be counted. Stand on the truth. Stand on your honor. Stand and be.
Stand!
Stand and be counted. Stand on the truth. Stand on your honor.
Little baby crying for attention. Let me tell you, I could use some too. Little late for an ounce of prevention. Better think of something else to do. What happened to the days of summer? They came and they went too fast. Should've known it wouldn't last forever. Now it's all just part of the past memories. That highway, whoa, yesterday. Sitting in with the boys in a six-string, singing every Beatles song we knew. Getting lucky with a girl at the drive-in, keep me happy for a month or two. School year dragged by so slowly, seemed like it would never end. Summer flew by out of control and left me here again with the memories. Down that highway, whoa, yesterday. Whoa, yesterday. Now Jimmy got lost somewhere in L.A. simple cure. So easy when you start with nothing, feels good when you get a little more. About time that I ought to get happy, about time I ought to feel good. Never know when they call your number, St. Peter gonna lock that gate anyway. Down that highway with your memories, all those wild days of yesterday. I remember you, oh, yesterday, oh, yesterday, oh, yesterday.
Something really spectacular comes up, we'll finish now. I was going to film on the way up to the station, but there's been snow out there. It's obviously very cold, so I don't know if I'll be bothered. Oh, the snow stopped and ruined up. The back of a shopping centre, I think. Bother with going down this way. Things all over the place and you can't get through. In the way. You're not subway? Subway system here. A little bit of Glasgow Times Square. Nice building, but its view blocked out by something else. Mitchell Street. Beacon Blues song, I think. That's the station, our train, where did you go somewhere? This is the main station. Come on. No, a couple of hours to wait. That Beacon Blue song is the Imperial off Queen Street. Somewhere's the station. Well, somewhere. Like Queen Street Station, isn't it? Because they didn't bother telling me that the picture goes to the station. Look at that. It's a big station.
Now Mary's crying, drowning in her tears. She stuck a piece of cotton in the little one's ear. And Woody left town 6 days ago. He says he ain't a-comin' back, not for all he knows. And Mary's crying, she's trying to stay calm. She's kneeling in the red dirt, just screaming up a storm. And Woody's out west, says he's sleeping in the fields, and he's gotta stay put till the conflict heals. And Woody's song splits the dark to peel away the years. And Mary's gone to People's Park to reel in Woody's fears. Oh yeah. Now Mary's crying, it's an uphill climb. She's tearing at her roots for the 23rd time. And Woody's got a handle on what's going wrong. Says he's trying to light a fire with his union song. Still Mary's crying, she's pining for her man. She says she's gonna ride him every chance she can. But Woody don't care, says he's taking his time. Says he's praying for them boys in the government line. And Woody's song splits the dark to peel away the years. And Mary's gone to People's Park to reel in Woody's fears. Oh yeah. Now Mary's crying, she's poking at her fear. It'll all seem distant this time next year. But what is indeed, it's a pretty big deal. Says he's carving out a groove for the kids' next meal. Thought she heard his song on the radio. It was something about a fight, about a migrant war. And Woody's song splits the door to peel away the years. And Mary's gone to People's Park to reel in Woody's fears. Oh yeah.
There's gonna be trouble from the start when you break somebody's heart.